In this video, I will show you how to book a flight on Alaska Airlines. So in order to do this, head over to alaskaair.com and you can see in here this book a flight option. Choose from round trip, one way, or multi-city. I'll head over and choose in here one way. Then for this one, I'll just input Seattle. And then I'll just input in here for the destination airport, Los Angeles. Then after that, I'll just input right here the departure date. So I'll just choose in here February 12th. And then input the number of adults and click on this find flights option. Now you can also choose in here an upgrade type. Now in here you can see some flights option. We have in here the saver, but some savers are unavailable, so you can either choose main, premium, or first class. So you can compare the fares through this one. Just head over and choose in here which one you want. I'll choose in here the saver for $219, and as you can see, we don't have seat selection. We're the last to board with limited mileage plan and the likes. You can continue or upgrade. So I'll just continue with this one. And then from in there, this will direct me to the next page wherein I can actually input right here my actual part. You can continue as a guest or sign in and check out for this one. If you continue as a guest, you just need to input your personal information as well as your payment information in order to successfully book this flight.